Hi everyone, and welcome to Epicurean Kitchen. Today we are making a sweet and savory pork loin with creamy wasabi mashed potatoes to pair with our late Grange cuvee. Start by bringing your potatoes to a boil in cold water. Melt the butter in heavy cream. Add the cooked potatoes. Mix in Herbie's galangal, cloves, wasabi powder, and a pinch of salt. Season your pork tenderloin with salt and pepper. Bake your pork for 10 minutes. Mix together plum sauce, Herbie's galangal, and cloves. After 10 minutes, brush your pork with the sauce and return to the oven for 10 more minutes. Thank you all for watching. I hope you try this recipe at home, and remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our food and wine pairings.